What's the point of owning an M3 if you're afraid to drive it? This brand new BMW is getting full-body PPF and window tint, protecting it from everyday damage while keeping the driving experience exactly what it should be. Before we protect this M3, there's one part of the job we simply can't rush: preparation. When a car is brand new, it's easy to assume the paint is already perfectly clean. But new doesn't mean untouched. Transportation, dealership handling, those first miles on the road, brake dust, environmental contamination, all of that can leave particles on the surface before the owner really starts enjoying the car. And with full-body PPF, preparation becomes even more important because we're about to protect almost every painted surface on this BMW. Anything we leave behind can affect the quality of the final installation. That's why our goal isn't just to make the M3 look clean. We want the paint properly decontaminated, smooth, and ready for the next stage. It takes extra time, but this is where the quality of a professional installation really begins. Because premium PPF over poorly prepared paint is still a poor result. The film may be what protects the car for years, but the preparation underneath is what gives that protection the foundation it deserves. This is where we start chasing the finish we want to see at the end. Paint correction is about refinement, bringing more depth to the color, sharpening the reflections, and cleaning up the finish panel by panel. It's a small part of this entire transformation, but when the PPF goes on and you see that final gloss under the lights, this is where that result really started. A great PPF installation shouldn't look like a collection of stickers. That's why we don't simply take a standard pattern and install it exactly as it comes. We modify our patterns to improve coverage, extend edges where possible, and create a cleaner fit for each panel. Then, the film is precisely cut on our plotter before it ever reaches the vehicle. That means fewer unnecessary cuts near the paint, better alignment, cleaner edges, and most importantly, an installation designed to disappear into the car. So why would someone choose full-body PPF instead of simply protecting the front? It really comes down to how you want to enjoy your car. With front-end PPF, you're protecting the areas that normally receive the most direct impacts. But your car doesn't only experience damage from the front. Every time you drive, the rest of the body is exposed too. Your tires can throw debris against the rocker panels and doors. Parking lots can mean accidental scratches or scuffs. Bugs, tree sap, bird droppings, road grime, and other environmental contaminants can reach almost any painted surface. And if you're the kind of owner who notices every little mark on your car, that's where full-body PPF starts making a lot of sense. Instead of deciding which panels you're willing to leave exposed, you're creating a protective barrier across the entire painted body. But here's something that's just as important. Full-body PPF doesn't mean your car becomes indestructible. The film can still be damaged, and a hard enough impact can potentially reach the paint underneath. The real advantage is having a sacrificial layer taking that everyday abuse instead of your factory finish. Minor scratches and marks that would normally reach the clear coat now have to go through the film first. And with a self-healing PPF like Lumar Valor, light surface marks in the film can self-heal with heat. That gives you something that's difficult to put a price on: freedom to actually enjoy the car. You don't have to look at every truck in front of you and immediately think about rock chips. You don't have to obsess over every little mark after a long drive. And you don't have to keep asking yourself what the paint is going to look like a few years from now. For an M3, that matters. This is a car designed to be driven and enjoyed. Full-body PPF lets the owner focus more on that experience and less on preserving every exposed inch of paint. But choosing full-body PPF is only the first decision. The second is choosing who installs it. And this is where we believe Xtreme makes a difference. PPF is transparent, which means the goal isn't for you to notice our work. The goal is actually the opposite. We want you to walk around the car and see the BMW, the body lines, the color, the gloss, and the reflections. not a bunch of visible film edges. That's why so much of our work happens in details most people may never think about. We modify patterns when necessary to improve coverage and create cleaner edges. We use a plotter to precisely cut the film rather than unnecessarily cutting directly against the vehicle's paint. Whenever the panel and installation allow it, we extend and wrap edges. We also focus on minimizing unnecessary seams and relief cuts so the finished installation looks as natural as possible. And full body coverage makes those details even more important. You're not installing one or two pieces of film anymore. You're working across almost the entire exterior of the vehicle. Every door, quarter panel, fender, bumper, rocker panel, mirror, and complicated curve presents a different challenge. A premium film alone can't solve those challenges. That's why we always say the product matters, but the installation matters just as much. At Xtreme, we use Lumar Valor, a premium paint protection film with high optical clarity, hydrophobic properties, and self-healing technology. It's also backed by a 12-year manufacturer's limited warranty. But our responsibility is to make sure that premium material receives the preparation and installation it deserves. That starts before the PPF even touches the car, with the decontamination and paint preparation you already saw. It continues through pattern modification, positioning, installation, edge work, and final inspection. Because when someone trusts us with a brand new BMW M3, we're not thinking only about how the car looks when it leaves the shop. We're thinking about how that installation will look after the owner starts putting miles on it. And that's ultimately what full-body PPF is about. It's not about keeping your M3 hidden in the garage. It's about doing the opposite. Take it on the highway. Enjoy the back roads. Take the long trip. Drive it every day if you want to. The car was built to be driven. Full-body PPF simply gives you another layer between the car you love and everything the road is going to throw at it. And when you combine complete coverage, premium film, careful preparation, and an installation focused on the details, you get something better than just PPF. You get peace of mind every time you take the car out. Now that the outside is protected, let's talk about something you'll actually experience every single time you get behind the wheel: window tint. A lot of people choose tint because they love the way it looks, and on an M3, it completely changes the attitude of the car. But appearance is only the beginning. Think about how much time you spend inside your vehicle, driving to work, sitting in traffic, taking a road trip, or simply leaving the car parked outside on a sunny day. Your windows are constantly allowing solar energy and UV rays into that space. The right window film helps make that environment more comfortable. It can reduce heat, cut distracting glare, block 99% of harmful UV rays, add privacy, and help protect interior materials from sun-related fading and deterioration. And here's something important. Darker doesn't automatically mean better protection. Different window films can provide different levels of heat rejection while still allowing you to choose the appearance and visibility that work for you. That's why at Xtreme, we work with Lumar Formula One. It gives us different film options so we can help the customer find the right balance between performance, shade, privacy, and appearance. But just like PPF, the material is only part of the result. Proper shrinking, meticulous glass preparation, accurate patterns, clean edges, and a contamination-free installation are what make premium tint actually look premium. And here it is, the final result. This brand new BMW M3 now has full-body PPF protecting the entire exterior, plus premium window tint, improving comfort, privacy, and the overall driving experience. But the real result isn't just what you see under the shop lights. It's what happens after this car leaves. Highways, road trips, daily driving, summer heat, parking lots, and all the little things that normally make you worry about a brand new car. Now the owner can focus less on every rock chip, every small scratch, and every mile added to the car, and focus more on actually enjoying the M3. That's what good protection should do. It should preserve the car without changing what you love about it. Clean paint, invisible protection, better comfort, and peace of mind every time you drive. Because you didn't buy an M3 just to look at it. Protect it right and go enjoy it.